Hi guys, postman's arrived today, a month early to be honest, which is absolutely fantastic. Sorry if I look like I'm dying a bit here today. 36 degrees, it's meant to be getting hotter still actually. We're in the UK as well, and that's Celsius. Now the kids are out there in the pool, so they're entertained, or I thought they were. One's just running, great timing there Jessica. Hello! So yeah, let's see what we've got. If there's any bad audio, it's because of this bad boy, and I can't be in here without it, I'm afraid. I really need this fan on today. Right, here we go. Got the new hub set for the Thunder Tiger S50. I'll get these out in a little while and have a closer look at them, but they certainly look like they're going to be a lot better quality than the plastic rubbish that's on them at the minute that snaps straight away. Took a day off work today, so I might have been doing a little shopping myself. And I've been looking at one of these for a little while now, and after reading up on the GoPro Hero 7, thought it might have been time to get one. This little accessory set came with it, free. So we've got the tripod in there and whatever that is. We've got an SD card as well. So we can unbox this and have a quick look at this as well, because this is what I'm going to be doing most of my recording with when we're out and about with the cars. Firstly, we've got the little SD card. I went for the 64 over the 128 because they didn't have a 128 in. So it can, I believe, handle about 2 hours 4K upload, 4K download, and I think it's about 4 hours of 1080p. So I'll see how I get on with that. I'll probably get the 128 anyway. First, we've got a little rubberized case here, which looks like it'll do a fairly decent job at protecting it while I'm sort of moving around with it, or the kids are using it or whatever. And then also in the case we've got a little tripod. I'll set that up in a minute because I'm not going to manage that one-handed. But it's a tripod, and also I think it's a telescopic sort of stick for it as well, but I'll set that up in a minute and we'll have a look at that. But yeah, that came free with the GoPro Hero 7 on offer, so let's see if we can get in here. So this is going to make videos like this a whole lot easier as well. So I don't have anywhere to put my phone. In the little box we have stands for it, charging cable, and a battery. Why have you died? Oh. No. Hold on. Yeah, that video nearly finished. I don't know what happened there, went off. Got it up on its little tripod. That's going to help me out quite a lot, to be honest. Different to any other GoPro where the audio has not been fantastic on them. It's meant to be greatly improved on this one if you read some of the reviews on it. I'm not going to go through reviews on it, I don't know enough about it. I'm going to have play with it myself and find out what the score is. But yeah, reading up on it, yeah, it looks pretty fantastic, to be honest. So yeah, I mean, my next videos will I'll have this set up, and yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes. Right, so I've got the body shell and the wing back for my Hyper 9, which we saw briefly in the last video. He was meant to be sort of spreading it up for me. He's got as far as putting some black inside it, which is not fantastic. And then because it's been laid around, we've got some overspray on the body, which I've had to rub down with some 1200 grit to see if I can get rid of it. And I'm just going to have to paint it on the outside, which is obviously... Hold on. Which is not great, because obviously, I mean, this is only primer, but obviously whatever colour I do, if this turns over, there's going to be black showing through it. So I don't know whether I can wrap it, I don't know what to do with it. But for now, we've got a body shell and a wing, and I can use it, and I don't have to buy one. So yeah, we'll see where we go. Yeah, so GoPro Hero 7. Hey, I've not had a GoPro before, so I'm quite looking forward to using it, to be honest. Looks like a fantastic bit of kit. There's no point me running through any more of the stuff on here. I don't know enough about it. I've got to do a bit of research about it myself, so I don't want to, you know, feed you any lies or anything. I'll have a look through that off camera. I'm boiling in here, mate. I'm dying. I can't do any more. I was hoping to do a bit more today. I just can't do it. I can't do any more. I'm going to have to fit these hubs to the Thunder Tiger in another video, so we can get that back out up and running with the Lossy. I'd like to see them two run about together. Maybe get some ramps out, etc, etc. Guys, I'm only just getting going. Please like my videos and subscribe. I've got more content to bring. We'll be doing loads more stuff. So yeah, hit that like button and subscribe below, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers, guys.